10 members were immediately rushed to the site at Lapangap. Today, we have 30 police personnel, 15 from the 1st MLP Battalion, 15 from the 3rd MLP Battalion, led by the SP of West Janday Hills, who are on the ground in the makeshift camp that we have set up at Lapangap. So that sense of insecurity has already, to a large extent, been controlled, and we are managing things well. And hopefully, this problem will be resolved once we have the discussions at the regional committee level. Now, of course, that sense of fear will be there, but the fact that police presence has been geared up from 10 in the first 2-3 days to 30 today, and the SP is personally overseeing the operations. So that itself is a pointer to how serious the government is in